this video, we will see how we can select a very large data in seconds. We have a data set here which has more than 50,000 rows and 14 columns. From this large data, suppose we have to select 12,000 rows. One of the option is, we'll go to home, we'll go to first cell, we'll select the first cell and we'll scroll down till the row 12,000. So we have to select 12,000 rows from the top. So here's the 12,000 row. We'll select the last cell, the last column of the 12,000 row. We'll press shift and click on the cell. And you will get the 12,000 rows selected. So you can copy this and paste it in another sheet. But this will be a very tedious job if you have to select say more than 20,000 rows or 40,000 rows or more than that. I'm going to show you the simplest method to select any amount of large data which you can select in seconds. Say we have to select 15,000 rows from the top. So we'll go to home. To select 15,000 rows from the top, the simplest method is we need to click on the first cell, go to name box. So this is the name box that is beside the formula. In the name box, we are going to type the last column which we want to select. So in my case, in my sheet, N is the last column. So I'll type N and I need 15,000 rows. So I'll just type 15,000. The trick is you have to press shift and then press enter. And you will see all the 15,000 rows have been selected. Just need to copy, go to another sheet and paste the data. You will get all the 15,000 rows pasted here. So that is the simplest trick. You can see the 15,000 rows have been copied. I'll repeat it again. Suppose I need to copy 25,000 rows. I'll click on the first cell. I'll go to the name box. I'll type N, that is the last column, and 25,000. Press shift, keep the shift button pressed and then press enter. So you'll see that 25,000 rows have been selected. We'll just copy, go to a new sheet and paste. And you will see that all 25,000 rows have been pasted in the new sheet. So that is how you can copy a large, if you have say 1 lakh of data or 2 lakh of data, this will be the easiest method where you can copy a large amount of data from one sheet to another sheet.